Everyone, thanks for waiting. Please make a note of this and create 4 visuals in 5 minutes. I'll be there. Okay, so I hope everyone is done with this. Okay, only when I say 4 visual, you have created 4 visual. Did you create title? Did you create this title? Report title or dashboard title? No. Why? So when your manager says you will do only this much, you need to explore, right? Why you have created this 4? And based on which visuals you have created? Different visuals. Convert into pie chart. Everything. Everything should be pie chart. So first you need to insert. In insert you have shape. You need to select this shape, the rectangle one, and you need to keep it here. Now once you have added this, you need to add 4 visuals. As I said, you can just select pie chart for the time being. Later on you can change your charts, I don't mind. Region wise sales, but I would suggest you take pie chart for the time being. It's a humble request. 1 visual. Second visual will be your ship mode. As you get done it. Okay. Third one will be your
category.
Segment. Fourth one will be your category. I hope everyone is done.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Okay. I want you guys to add one more card to showcase what is actually the total sales. So I want you guys to add a card also like this. Please make sure you do it. Okay. Now the first question I have here. What and all changes you need to do? The formatting part here. You need to do coloring and all those things. Agree?
Yes.
Okay. So we'll be discussing here. So first thing we need to discuss how to create a coloring part. So if you select this, if you go to the format, you will be seeing in the slice option, you will be having a number of colors. You can drop down and you can choose it. Okay. But if you need to add specific color, something called your company color codes. Okay. How do you get that color codes? We'll understand that. So if you go here in the online, you will be seeing X color part, which is known as X color. In this, you can take the codes, whichever the colors you needed. For example, you'll get the shades of color like this. Do you see here? Okay. Whichever the shades of color you need, you can choose it from here. If you want any specific color, for example, I want to go with gray. So you can see the shades of gray. Getting the concept? Okay, these are the color shades, whichever you like. Out of this, if you want to go to any latest update, which means the color code they have used, these are the latest trend, the favorite colors of the users. They have clearly mentioned now. Now, out of this, whichever you like, you can choose it, up to you. But sir, I don't like this color. I want my specific color. You can choose it from here. You can type or you can search it. Clear? And this is your color code. Can you see here? The color code represents here. But still, I'm going to show you here. Let me just choose any one. Now in this, I'll take Halloween. Horrible colors. No need. I'll take gradient. Let's take a, yes, something the shades of colors you are seeing here. So I'll be choosing here. Okay, let me just take with this orchid one. Whichever you like, you choose it. I'm choosing mine. Clear? So I'll be taking this color code. Can you see here the color code? Okay, you just need to copy this. Copy till hashtag, from hashtag till the end. Copy, go back, select here, and click on this more color. Do you see hex here? You need to paste it. That's it. Got the point? Automatically you'll get here. So again, you'll copy this. You'll come back here. You'll drop down and you'll select and you'll paste it here like this. The shades of color. Whatever the colors you like, you can choose it. It's up to you. I hope this makes clear. I'm just sharing this link in the chat box. Please refer. If you're not getting, just go to online and type hex color. HEX. No, you have not taken the proper color codes. Check. This color code and the copied color code is different. See that? हाँ ठीक से कॉपी करो ना C5 में हुआ है ना वहाँ पर देखो if you want to design it you have to do it. Yes, the color codings are required, no? You need to practice because I'll be cross-checking now. Then I'll be giving the comments and all. So that is required. Don't need, huh? See, I know the color which I have chosen is not good, but I want you guys to select the best. I'm clearly saying. But you should make sure how it looks like to the presentation. You're presenting to your CEO. Imagine that. Okay. That is the reason I'm giving you 10 minutes here. Sometimes I go good. I know that. Sometimes I do bad. Even I know that.
Sir, did you use Control Z?
Yes, it's working.
Okay.
Are you copying mine?
No, sir, I'm just saying.
So you're not doing it means.
Yes, sir.
Why? What is the reason?
Sir, I'll practice it later.
Very good. What, ma'am? How is it done? Give your comments. Not about you, about that guy who's just looking at this. I'm using the Unica. Which key, ma? Undo and redo, you know. That is only Control Z. Where is
Sir,
this?
can I?
Ah, can I share my screen? Even in this. What is the reason behind sharing your screen?
Sir, I am pasting the code, but the color is not filling.
See, copy the complete color code. No, see here. Listen carefully. So whenever you copy, no, make sure you copy that from here to here. Because whenever we copy, no, it will add spaces also. So that it will not be completed. That is the reason I'm saying you. For example, if I'm using the fill color and dropping down, and if I'm selecting like this, see, sometimes what will happen here, it will just remove this and it will give you the space like this, which is wrong code. Check it out. Okay.
Okay,
Still,
sir.
if you're
Okay.
not getting, then let me know.
Okay, sir.
You have more 2 minutes, guys. Sorry, 1 minute. Yes, buddy. I hope everyone is clear. No more formatting. Done?
Yes, sir.
Your formatting is done. You're happy with your reports? Well and fine.
Sure.
Cool. Now, the condition is here. Remember here now, whatever you have created, it's based on the sales, right? Now, what my manager is looking for, he's looking for a parameter where whenever he click on the sales slicer, all the reports should convert into sales. Whenever he select here profit in the slicer, okay, in the slicer, whenever he select profit, so he should get all the report converted into profit. Whenever you select or he is selecting quantity, all the visual should convert into quantity. Getting it? So you need to add a slicer with these three conditions. But now if you select the slicer, you will get numbers. You will not get this text. I need sales, profit, and quantity. Getting the concept here? So how to create a parameter, we're gonna understand that. For this, you need to write three formulas. Okay. One is sum of sales. Like this, you will be writing three formulas. Let me just show you here. I'm going to new measure. I'm going to take a review today of your report, whatever you have created now. Okay. So make sure you be very clear with that. Now this is your, please mention the same what I'm mentioning here. Total sales equals to sum of sales. Let me just finish, then you can try it. So this is the first formula which I'm writing it. To create a slicer, I need to create first measures. And this is the first measure which I have created. Second one, again a new measure. Total profit equals to sum of profit. This is the second one which I have created. And the last one will be your quantity over here. Total quantity equals to sum of quantity. That's it. These are the three formulas. Please make a note of this. I'll be waiting here. Thank you. Okay, once you have done this, now listen carefully here. You have only one table. Now we're going to create a new table without writing a formula with the help of parameter. How to do this? I'm just explaining. So any measure can be converted into a slicer with the help of parameter, and that is available in the Weave tab. If you go to the Weave tab, not a Weave tab, sorry, modeling tab, in this, you will be seeing parameter. New parameter over here. Drop down and you will be seeing field or numeric range. Numeric range is nothing but 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I need fields. So I need sales, profit, and quantity. So I'm just selecting the fields here. And in this, it is clearly mentioned, add parameter to visuals and DAX expression so people can use slicer to adjust the input and see the different outcomes. So we need a different outcomes with the help of this parameter. So we're gonna search here total, and we got it here, all the three. So first I'm taking sales, profit, and then quantity, sequence wise. Clear? Sales, profit, and quantity. If you're not getting, then again remove it and then add it. I hope this makes clear to everyone. Please make a note and do it. Have you guys created? So once you click on this, automatically you will get here the slicer option. Now this slicer will indicate how to use it, and you will be created a new table also. Automatically it will create a new table. If you see properly, you got the second table over here. Okay, but still you're not able to fix it off. So by default, it should connect. For that, you need to go here in the format, go to the slicer settings and go to the selection and select the single selection. In case if you don't want to do these all things, a simple condition I can give you. You'll be having a list of slicer. If you click on this also, by default, it will take single selection only. Both are same. There is no changes for me. See, but I would suggest you go to the slicer because you need to learn these things also. Slicer settings, selection and single selection. Please make a note. First click on the format after selecting the slicer and inside the slicer selection on this single selection. I'm waiting here. Now by default, you got a radius button, which is showing you the total sales first selection. Everyone is getting the same thing.
Sir.
Automatically it should select. I hope everyone is getting it. Thank you. Good. Now, after doing this, now you need to connect because whenever you select profit, the value should change, but the value is not changing. How to change? Let me explain you. Now you have two tables here, right? In this parameter, if you expand, you have one more function table. So this one you will drag and replace with the sum of sales. This one you will replace. For example, I have here sum of sales. I'm just removing this and I'm adding here in the same, replacing in the same position parameter. Now, if I click on total profit, you can see here, the profit is getting changed. Quantity, it is changing. Clear? Okay. Even for this, I'm showing you sum of sales by region. If you see here, where do you have that option? You have in the values. So in this value, I'm just removing this sum of sales, dragging this parameter and dropping it here. Okay. Can you guys do it now? I hope everyone is done. Good. Okay. Once you have done this, now everything is changing. Yes or no? Cool. Now let's understand how to add the title here, dynamic title. So whenever I select, it should change. So I want you guys to go to the table view. And in this table view, by default, it is selected parameter. Okay. So first you need to go here in the table view and then you should see whether it is selected or not. By default, it will be selected only. and then you need to add a new column. So I'm highlighting which and all you have to do it. First, click on this. If it is selected, ignore it. Then directly add a new column. In new column, you need to give one information. So dynamic title it is equals to. So you can just write here order concatenate order dashboard by, give a space, and then right here parameter and parameter. That's it. Done? Okay, come back to the report view. Click on back to the report view, the upper one. Now select the title, please. Select it. The shape you need to select. Go to the shape style. In this, on this text, click on FX and type here divide title. You'll get the answer. So again, I'm showing you. Please make a note. First, you need to select the shape. Then you have to go to the shape style. And then on this text and click on FX. I hope you guys got it.
Yeah.
So we are good to do it. So if you want to do any modification, you can do. You have another 3 minutes. If you are done, then let me know. After 3 minutes, I'll be discussing on the next part.
Hello, sir. Like, if you want to save this thing, how will you do it?
We'll save it. Which?
Yes.
Thank you.
Sir, can you repeat that how to add a dynamic title?
Hey, goodbye. When I was asking you, where were you?
I was trying, sir, but I just missed.
No worries. I'll guide you. Give me a moment. Okay, how to add it? Just click on this. Go to text in the shape style. You'll see the text on this. Click on FX. And then you have to drop down and search for DY title and click OK. Try it once. If you're not getting, let me know. I am done. Do this, how to save this file. If you go to the file option and if you click on save, it will save it. Or else you have to save with Control yes. So once you save, you have to give the name, your name here today. As I'm giving you my name in my report, you need to give your name in your report. Okay. Huh? You need more 2 minutes, huh? So I want everyone to save this file, please. Okay. Now, once you have saved it, you have already signed in, right? Yes or no? Yes, sir. Okay. I have not signed in, so I'm showing you again how to sign in here. Listen carefully. You don't have to do anything if you have signed in, guys. You don't have to do anything. So first thing, you need to take this user ID and you have to click on the sign in part. If it is showing you sign in, click on this. If it is not showing, ignore it. And then you have to paste the email, continue. Once you have pasted the email over there, it will again ask you the email ID. Next, and then you have to give the password and sign in. And then ask later. That's it. Once you have signed in, everyone, please listen here. Now I'm also signed in and I'm sharing that link. Already you guys have it, but still, let me just share that file. So this is the credentials. Once you have signed in, please go to Home tab. And do you see here publish option? Yes. Click on that publish. Once you click, by default, it is selecting here, my workspace. Directly click on select. So in Home tab, after saving the file, if you click on publish, it will show you like this. By default, it is my workspace. Just click on select. Click on this and automatically this file will be loaded there. I hope everyone is done. Good. So this is how, after creating a report, you publish your report. Got it? To online service. So now take a break. I'll be doing it. Okay, once you guys have done it, now listen carefully here. Everyone, you need to just go here in any browser. I repeat, in any browser, just go to online and then type here app.powerbi.com. I repeat, app.powerbi.com. And there you have to give your mail ID, which I have shared with you, and the password. And then you need to give this user ID has a mail ID already there in your chat box. Remember this. What? Take a screenshot if you want. I'll give you, wait. Take a screenshot. Then paste the password. And then, yes, that's it. This is the email ID and this is the password. Take a screenshot, please. It's already shared in your chat box also. Yes, yesterday I said no. Guys, tomorrow is a holiday.
Okay, thank you.
Listen here. Now, please listen. Most of the thing you don't have to do it practically, but I'll make you to do something. Don't worry. Okay. Whenever you're discussing or whenever we are discussing about the online session, which means the Power BI online service, moreover, you need to focus here. In interview, they'll ask you a theory part, the oral part. Okay. How to connect, how to use it, and what is the benefit. That's it. And why we are using it. In this, you have a different topic, but we'll not be discussing that deeper. Remember, if you want to learn, then you have to refer the Microsoft documentation. Clear on this? Because as I said you, in a day one, 80% will be working in the desktop, 80 to 90. And this is what you have worked, okay, in real time scenario. Then 10 to 20%, you will always be in online service. What is here? Whenever you want to share any reports or any dashboard to the users or to the client or to your team member, first thing, you should have the login credentials. This is your login credentials. And whenever you're sharing to other person, even they should have the login credentials. Not yours, their own. Okay? Then don't give yours. Then he will do something wrong and you will be out of the office. Remember, your credential is personal. Their credentials is personal. Clear? If they are having, then only they can see your report. First interview question, they will ask you, how many types of license do we have? We have 3 types of license. How many? 3. Pro. Pro means professional. PPU. Okay. Which is known as what? PPU means? Huh? Great. You guys are too great, man. Premium per user. PPU. And then the last one is PC. Premium capacity. Clear on this? So you have 3 types of license which I have shown you here. So one is pro license, premium per user, and premium capacity. These 3. This is for single user, this is for single user, but this is for the whole tenant. Whole tenant in the sense, complete organization can use this. If the entire team is working, okay, or entire organization, company is working in Power BI, then they will purchase this. If you are individually working or only one team is working, 5 to 10 members, then they'll purchase this or this. Clear on this? These are the 3 types of license. Okay, what is the differences between all these 3? Let's understand here. So these are the main important differences. Remember. Okay, these are the main important differences. So let me just highlight this. First thing, whenever we are talking about Power BI service, it will only work in capacity. So that is the reason I said report server is something else. That is very detailed information. In that you will be using embedded REST API. All those conditions will be coming into the picture and data flow and all. So you will not be using this in pro license or premium license. Okay. Second condition, the data set, which means your memory size. In desktop, it will be 1 GB. And for premium per user, you can load up to 100 GB. And in premium capacity, you can load up to 400 GB. Now, whatever you're loading the file here, the maximum uploading file, it should be 1 GB. If you are going beyond 1 GB, it will not support. It will take very slow. Got it? And then you can't use it. So whenever you think your organization required more data, more reports and all, directly jump into PPU. Don't suggest Pro. The mistake what I did, I suggested Pro. Then later on, they have converted into PPU. That was a double charge for them. Okay, so that mistake you don't do it. Remember this. Now coming to the next concept here. Data refresh. Data refresh means automatically the data get refreshed 8 times per day in Pro license. In PPU, it is 48 times, and capacity it is 48 times. So 48 times per day you can refresh your data. When you have huge amount of data, you need every time. Suppose IPL, okay, coronavirus, it was getting updated, stock market, it was getting updated, or it is updating. So all those things are required here. Got it? Automatically. But you have to set up these things. Okay, remember this concept will be doing by Monday. No, tomorrow is Wednesday. Thursday we'll work on this on Thursday, how to work on it. Okay, now coming to the data flow. Data flow is nothing but it's a direct query or LinkedIn, or it can be computed, okay, engine, which means it is online Power Query direct. Okay, which means data flow is nothing but it is Power Query in online service. Remember this. Now, what is the storage? Whenever you go to online, you should have some storage here, right? To upload the file, to keep the storage, you should require the storage. And for this, for Pro license, you have 10 GB. How many GB you have? 10. And for premium capacity, you have 100 TB and 100 TB. Clear on this? So which one you are using? You are using Pro license. Okay. And if anyone asks you what is the price range, what you will say? Go and check in your system. No, right? You have to use here Pro, Premium. If you write here price for Power BI, you will get first thing here. Can you see this? And below this, what option you are getting? Okay, you just need to click here. Now you don't know $1 how much it is costing now. How much? 80.05. Thank you. Okay, so that is the reason. Don't think in that way. Just you need to drop down this, and here you will be seeing the language. Which language you are seeing here? English. And which state? Okay, the country is United Country. Okay, the state here now, where is India? It's here. Click on this. Now see, you'll get the pricing and all. Products, Power BI, and Power BI. That's it. Now you'll see the pricing and all here. So all the information it is given. How much it is now? Okay. And what is your PPU? Okay, this is now variable. Okay, the latest license, which is premium capacity, it has changed into Microsoft Fabric. And this is variable. Variable in the sense based on your output. If you need 200 storage, for that, what will be the price? That is how it is gonna give you. Okay. So 830 and 1665. Okay, now here the differences between these two. Which one you will go? 830 or 1600? Double of this. Which one? If you want to suggest to your company. Simple. Blindly you go with this. Okay. So that tomorrow if the huge data comes, you can manage with this. Clear on this? Because starting you'll see about the cost cutting. You'll take this. Then next moment you have to upgrade this. Got it? So that is the reason this price is 830 and this is 1665. Clear? And actually this should be, if you talk to me or if you talk to Microsoft Excel support team, then they will say 4.25 lakhs per month. Per month it is. Earlier it was 3,20,000 last 2 years back. Last 2 years back it was like this. This year it is 4.25. Now you decide. If you are running a company, then you will take this. Got it? To complete support. But you are not going to use this. You will be using only this. Clear? These are the license part. Now coming to this, where you get the storage. Let's see here. If you click on this settings icon, you will see here manage personal storage. So you just need to click here and you will see here. So which license do you hold? What do you call for pro? It is a professional. Okay, professional license, you use it. And what is the storage? Okay. Now, if you click on this, you will get how many days? So you can get 60 days also. You can create your own account and for 60 days, you can use trial version. Got it? From our end, we'll give you only 14 days of trial version because everyone is using. That is from XLR. Clear? Okay. Now coming to secure reports. These all are optional. So one by one, I'm just taking here. This is called app launcher. If you click on this, you'll get n number of applications. Got it? So this is called app launcher. The below one is home tab. When you click on this, by default, it will take you to the original page where you sign in. Second one is your creating part. You can create a report here also. In this also, you can create report and dashboard too. Remember this. And this is browse. Browse means you can take a data set and you can utilize it. Now coming to this one leg is again data sets. From wherever you want, you can extract it. So now you guys have uploaded here. I can use any one of this. Got it? This is your data lake. And this is called Power Apps. In this, most of the users can directly view your report and dashboard without data set. Are you getting the concept here? So you're not sharing your data set to the users. They can come here and they can view their reports or anything, dashboard also. But you're not sharing the data set to them. Clear on this? Now coming to the next option, matrix. Matrix in the sense performance of your report. If you want to create a scoreboard and all those things, you can create for your performance. The examples they have given here, you can try with this whenever you're free. Okay. This is called monitor. Monitor in the sense how the data is working, whether it is working fine or whether it is getting failed. That is the concept here. Okay. Now coming to for your practice. If you want to do any kind of a practice, you can click on learn. And here you will get n number of reports, the sample reports. You can download and you can create same as it is. Okay. How to download? I'll give you an example here. See. Now I like this report. I want to create in my system. So I'll click on this. Few are downloadable. I'm saying you again. Not all the reports are downloadable. Now in this, you're seeing the file. If you go here, which option you're getting? Simple. You just need to click on this download. Automatically you'll get it. Clear on this? If you want to see here, the detail information, you have detail also. 2 pages they have it. The overview and the detail. Clear on this? Okay, you can download from here. That is called learning part. So let me just show you again. Where do you get it? This is the where. So you will be getting in the left hand side, learn. You just need to click on this. You will see the sample reports. You can download. Tomorrow you will be having a free time. Try to open this online service and download everything, whichever is downloadable for your reference, so that you can practice later on. Okay? Because in interview, they'll ask you which kind of a reports you have generated. If you practice this, you can take these names. Clear? Even we have HR reports. See, there are many reports I'm saying here. Can you see here? Sales report, hiring and history reports, all those things we have it. So I would suggest you try to explore many things here. So most of the students, they ask, no, sir, I need to practice. I need to practice. You have a practice tool. When I'm saying you to download, you should download. Later, after 10, 15 days, sir, how to practice again? There is no chance. Okay, getting the point here? Now coming to this real time. Real time is a live data connection. If you click on this, automatically it will ask you the connection part. So I'm not going to use this option, but I'm showing you. See, it will take you directly to there. You will be connecting, and this will be connected with data streaming part or any types of workspace where you have it. Connect to data source. So these are completely advanced level, which you will not be working at the present. When you go for interview, they will just ask you about this workspace and about the license. Got the point? So license is very important, workspace is important, and data refresh is important in this part. So now coming to the majority part, workspaces. What is this workspace? Workspace is like a folder. You see in your mobile phone, you see in your laptop, your personal folder and shared folder and all. So these are called workspace in Office. Okay. So when you are seeing a single logo, that is called your personal workspace. When you see multiple logos here, okay, that is called your shared workspace. There are two types of workspace here. So I have already mentioned here, personal folder and shared folder. That is called shared workspace, where you can use with end users. Is it clear? Personal means it's your own. You rectify, you do whatever you want. Test and drive. Simple concept it is. So I'm just showing you here. If I click on my workspace, what's gonna happen? First thing you will get like this. You just need to click on the up arrow. Now you can see all the reports, whatever you have published. But if you observe properly, two times each member's names are there. Ashwini 2 times, okay, Ayman 2 times, and here Ayub 2 times. And someone is very, intelligent. He saw UI movie, I guess. I said, their names. Who is this? Anyone from offline? Please make sure write your name. And one more, advanced level.
Third one.
And third one is last day, directly. Okay. If you write like this, then there is no point of sharing. Then we'll not come to know. Just because you're lacking of confidence. Simple concept it is. See, when you want to get more confidence, then of course you need to mention your name so that you will rectify your mistakes. Got it? So let me just go with Ashwini first. Okay, let me just make it clear here first thing. You will get two types of this names twice. Why? Because one is report and the second one is data set. Semantic model. Semantic model in the sense data set. And one more is report. Report means whatever you have created. And semantic model, whatever the data you have loaded there. Got the point? Okay, now let me just show you here. When I click on this, Ashwini, are you there? Who is this Ashwini? No one from offline? You need to work hard on these parts. I gave you 1 hour. So practice is important here. No comments on this. Okay, Nida. Ayman, I'm ready to take it. Go ahead. Whatever you want to say, you can say. Anyone. Color combination is not good. Okay, I agree. Next. I agree. I accept. Next. Anything else which you feel it is odd? Okay. In case if you feel color combination is not good, have a look here. Do you see here edit option? I'll not go PowerBi back. I'll click here edit. I'll change the color from here itself within a second. Or else, if I change all the visuals, even I can change the visuals. See. Now say color combination is not good. Now I have changed the visual itself. Now different visuals, same color combination will look different way. Got it? So if you are playing smart, then please be very clear which visual it will be suitable. Got it? Now if I again click on this and select this donut chart, can you see the dark to light? Dark, second dark, and third dark. If you don't see that, okay, let me just give you a simple concept. I'll just go to here, format, and I can change here also. Slice and the legend. The legend, I can give a bold option also. So here spacing is there, detail option is also there. Whatever I need, I can add. Got the point? Any questions here? Okay, still, sir, I don't like this color. Chalo, theek hai. You don't have to worry anything. You can choose from top to, bottom to top, whichever the color you like. Now I'm just choosing here. Okay, let me just take this one, the darker one. Now let me just take the second light, third one, and fourth one. Simple. Now the above one, I'll take the gray color. That's it. Now say, even this will match. So you should play smart. See, the gradient color works in this way only. That is the reason I said, choose from the down till top. If you don't like this color, go to more color and choose it. Got the point here? Clear? Okay, once you have done, you just need to save it. How do you save? Reading weave. Okay, you can do it from here itself. You don't have to go back to the desktop. So whenever your team lead saves, change it immediately. Don't go back to the desktop. Do it from here. Edit. Got the point? Online, I hope this makes clear to everyone.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
How to do it? I'm just showing you again. Please have a look. So first, you will go here in my workspace. You will be selecting your report. Open the report. Click on edit and modify it. Can you guys do it now? Whatever you like, you can do it. Up to you. You have 2 minutes here. Thank you. Someone has activated with their mobile number. Then now they'll get log off. Okay, I hope everyone is clear.
Sir.
This is how you can edit it. Once you edit, if you want to download the existing file, suppose now, imagine I have modified this visual. Let's take here. Okay, I have modified this. So after modifying, do you see here reading weave? You just need to click on this and you need to save the changes, whatever you have done it. Once you save the change, drop down this file and download this file. So this will be created a new version of your Power BI. Got it? This will be your latest one, whatever you have done the modification. But whenever you're doing any other visuals, remember this, you need to add a data labels. Did I add the data labels? No, I didn't add the data labels. So you should not do the same mistake before downloading it. Clear? So if you want to add the data labels, select this, format, and here you will be seeing a data labels. That's it. Now again, reading weave, save, and then come back to the file and download this. This will download the latest updates. I hope this makes clear to everyone.
Yes, sir.
Edit, modification, then reading weave. After that file, download this file, and this will give you the latest one. Once you have downloaded, now you can do more modification in your Power BI desktop if you want it, in case. Okay, that was just for your reference. So I hope everyone is clear. You can modify here also in Power BI online service. Okay, if you want to share this report, you have two ways. One, specific report. If you want to share, you can share this report. If you want to share the the folder, complete folder, then you can use that way also. Now I want to share only this report. How to share it? Do you see here the share option, the third option? If you click on this, you can just select here the name, but you can't give your name, you can't give your mail ID. No one can give that. The reason why, this is office login ID. Got it? Sir, I want to give to Santosh. Okay. If I'm writing Santosh, is it accepting? No, it will not. If I write here, Devara, is it accepting? No. Whoever is joined in your company, you can just share with them. And who has the access, you can share with them only. As I said you earlier, even the user should have pro license whenever you are sharing it. Now in this, I have the user ID. So if I click IU, do you see here? Okay. And this is @xlr2022.onmicrosoft.com. And what you have the license is also same, xlr2022.onmicrosoft.com. Both are same. So the credential or the login ID should be same. Got it? So again, I'm showing you share. And here you're gonna write his name, whoever's names comes here. If I click on this now, do you want to share this report with dataset or without dataset? Without dataset. If you want to share like that, you need to click on this arrow and you need to uncheck these two. Okay, which means the first one is saying if I'm sharing to that user, he should not share again to the another user. First condition. Second condition, if I'm sharing to that user, he should not use that data set. He should not edit. Only viewing access he should get. Clear on the concept? I have unchecked these two, applied. And now I'm sending. Now once I click on send, it will close. Now what it is saying, link to Ayub dashboard has been shared to that person. Okay, that link. Now where that link will go? In his mobile WhatsApp, his mail ID. Which mail ID? Outlook mail ID. Okay, Outlook mail ID or Teams. Remember, because Microsoft is collaborated with Outlook and Teams. Is it clear? Till here, are we good? Okay, sir, but my manager requested me to download this into a PDF or PPT. Getting the concept here? He wants this to be converted into a PDF or PPT. How can we do it? You just need to drop down this export. Do you see PowerPoint and PDF? If I click on PDF, do you need all the current values? Whatever the values you have, you want that? Yes. Do you want any specific page? No, I need all the pages. So I'm clicking on export. Automatically it is going to export it. Again, I'm clicking here, PowerPoint. Okay. Do you want to live data or you want only the normal one? I need normal. Can you see here? As image. If I click on the image and if I click on export, it will give me only the image, not the live one. Live one is whatever you are doing the updates, automatically it will go to the PPT. Clear? Would you like to try once? Do it once, please. So I have done sharing part and exporting part. Please do it. Just type Ayub, you will get it. I hope we are clear. You got the PDF and PowerPoint, both? Okay. So Thursday, we're gonna continue with from here itself. Okay, that will be another 1 hour of class or 1.5 hour maximum. And last 30 minutes, I'll take you for your assignment questions. Clear? Or you have any doubt session, we'll be completing that. Okay, Thursday. Then Friday, you have technical presentation. Remember this, don't forget. I hope this makes clear. If we are missing anything, we'll carry forward on Friday.